channel. So today I have this fall makeup look. I was actually getting ready. I wasn't planning on filming, but I was like, you know what, I'll probably regret not filming this look. So I just wanted to go ahead and do that. And so I'm just gonna use like some fall look with a vampy lip. I already did my lip. I was gonna take it off, but I was like, I already have it on. I am using Morphe's Nibble as a lip color. So I'm using that, and I'm using Makeup Forever's lip liner. I mean, the color artist in Endless. It's a 506. So wanted to get that out of the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eye. I already did one eye because I was getting ready to go. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and film it. So I am gonna use an old Morphe palette. You can use whatever you have. I just like to use all the palettes that I have now. So this is the palette. It's the 25A palette. I have no idea if Morphe still has this palette, but it's an old one. That's like the clear. Maybe you'll find similar colors on Morphe or anywhere that you, or whatever you guys have. But you can definitely use code PrettyGirls for some money off on Morphe in stores and online. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this color right here. It's gonna go onto my crease with a Morphe M433 brush, and that's gonna go right onto the crease. Kind of wanted to keep it cool tone because I love using warm tone shadows, and it's like my comfort zone. And I'm like, girl, you gotta like start using other colors out of your comfort zone just to kind of try different looks. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So just going to apply color right here. I'm just gonna pack it until I'm like satisfied with the intensity of it. So put it together. Alright, I'm happy with that. Then I'm just gonna go with this one right here. This one. And I'm going to apply that right onto my lid with a Morphe M166 brush. Put that aside. I am going to grab a different brush here, and I'm just going to blend this out right here. I'm actually going to be using this shadow right here, and I'm going to use that to blend out my brow bone. Just to make sure that everything's really nice blended. I do like to go back and reapply the colors just so that I don't lose the intensity of it. So I'm just going to go back and reapply. Okay. The lid color. Alright, that's all I did. I'm going to clean out any fallout. Then I'm going to go with that same crease color, and I'm going to apply it to the bottom lash line. I'm going to go back and forth, and I'm using the same brush I used to apply it. Alright, that's what that one looks like. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using the It Cosmetics Hello Lash. To the bottom. So for lashes, I am using Kiss lashes. I don't remember the name. I just took them out of the box the first time I wore them, and then I forgot to put them back. So I'm going to use some Kiss lashes, and I'm going to apply some Kiss uh, eyelash glue adhesive. I'm going to apply that. Just going to go back, try to clean out anything that I feel like needs to be like clean. And this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this quick little tutorial. I want to do more like full face makeup if you guys are interested in that. But let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.